Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So for today I'm going to be showing you guys a shoulder workout I did. I just did press movements on this workout because I haven't been doing a lot of press movements on my shoulder day. So I decided I'm going to do 4 different exercises. Just in case I didn't mention in the video, I did 8 to 10 reps, 5 sets for each exercise I did. I can say my shoulders are really killing me now. Definitely worth doing it. I haven't been putting the full effort in my shoulders. So yeah, hit that like button guys. Thank you very much for watching. Let's get straight to the video. That was our last set. So 15 more sets left. Feeling it now, shoulders are fried. What we're doing, we're keeping it quite intense. So it's I go, she go, minimum rest. Just smashing it out. Trust me, it's really hurting. So I'm trying to get to 8 to 10 reps. Make sure you keep it intense through the whole exercise. Try and get an extra volume in because I miss slacking on my shoulder days. This is set number 4 we're on. Size is seated shoulder press. Something I really want to focus it on is really trying to grow my delts because I've been so caught up in trying to hit a bigger bench plus squat. I've been neglecting my shoulders, so I'm really going to go hard for it. This is our final set. Answer this time, how are you feeling?
Not
How
good.
are you feeling?
Not good.
I don't know if anyone else gets this, but sometimes when you go to shoulder press weight compared to free weights, they feel a lot heavier. So this is our last set. Then we're going to do some either standing shoulder press, alternating dumbbell press, or we're going to do some arm presses. To pick Arnold press instead of alternate dumbbell press. We both have never done Arnold press before, so let you guys know how it feels at the end of it. First I'm trying the Arnold press. What I like about this exercise is the range of motion you get. Instead of going straight up, because you're coming back down as well, you feel a lot more and it requires more effort to do. I definitely choose this over the shoulder press. So that's it for this video guys. Make sure you thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe.